Notes now. Stick with me, Claire, thank you. Okay, compound interest. Here's the deal. Somebody came up with a brilliant gimmick for interest rates. I think they came up with this a little over 1,000 years ago. Somewhere in the Middle East of all places is what I read.
All places.
Yes, which is weird because...
What are you trying to say, huh?
I'm trying to say it's kind of weird because of the three books of the children of Abraham, the Torah, the Bible, and the Quran, all three of them actually say interest rates are evil to some degree or another. And the religion with the strongest rules against interest rates, called usury, loaning something at interest, is actually the Muslim faith. All three of them are down on it. So it's kind of funny that apparently this formula came out of the Middle East at a time when the Muslims were supposedly like, no, don't charge interest rates. But if you're going to, here's a neat trick. Interesting culture over there. Okay, compound interest. Now, here's how this works. I decided to make a deal with you where, let's say you want to save money at 6% interest. Some banks, in order to get you to bank with them, started doing something where instead of just giving you the 6% interest at the end of the year, you put in $100 and at the end of the year you have $106, they say, we're not going to give you the 6% at the end of the year, we're going to do something better. We're going to give you interest twice a year. Okay? We're going to give you interest twice a year, but instead of giving you the 6%, we'll give you the 3% twice a year.
So is that a good thing?
Not really. I'm glad you said that, because that's again...
Well,
in your,
first it's not, but right? Because then you keep adding on. It's like the same
yeah, because you...
times they buy each other, so it's double.
Not double. Oh, Laura, I like how you're thinking, but now stick with me a second. Okay, let's say simple interest. Okay, let's say 6% savings. Simple interest is once a year. Simple annual interest. You get it once a year. 6% savings would mean if you start with $100, 6% is applied once, and at the end of your year, you have $106. It's nice, it's neat, it's simple, life is good, right? Okay. Let's say you compound semi-annually. Semi-annually means twice a year. Okay, every half year, all right? Then here's what they do. Compounded semi-annually means they're going to give you the interest twice, but they're only going to give you half of it. Let's see how this works.
So 3%.
Yep, so they're going to give you 3% of your $100 after 6 months, and that will give you $103. That's simple. Now, Laura, here's where it's not the same thing. Then they give you the 3% again, but this time you've got $3 more in there. So you're not getting 3% of 100, you're getting 3% of 103.
Oh.
And it works out to, somebody take 103 for me. This will be $103 times 1.03. The 1 to get the 103 back, the 303 to get the 3%.
106.09.
106.09, and you've got 9 more cents. Better than not having the 9 cents. Okay? Now, here's where it gets... Okay, here's where it's going to get... The numbers are going to start getting ugly. Actually, yeah, the numbers are going to start getting ugly here.
Would you always have it by 1.03?
No. This is just... The 1 is to get you the $103 back. The 03 adds the 3% on.
No, I'm saying, would you always time it, like for the next thing?
For the next one, you'll see what we multiply by, and I hope you'll understand where it comes from.
Wouldn't you multiply by 106.9?
Relax, we're doing a whole different situation right now. Now we're going to compound this quarterly.
25 cents.
Yes, compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly does not mean, hey, here's a quarter. Compounded quarterly means 4 times a year.
Would be better.
The math would be easier.
So it's like 1.5%.
Yes, very good. Okay, so here's what happens. You start with your $100 again. Now, instead of getting 6% at the end of the year, they're going to break this into 4 chunks. So each time, as Amanda just noticed, first you're going to get 1.5%, okay, which will get you to $101.50.
Wait.
Gets you your $1.50. Now, they're going to do it 3 months later. So you got to do this 4 times in a year. They're going to give you another 1.5% interest. But it's not 1.5% interest on the 100, it's 1.5% interest on the 101.5 that you've got in there. So to figure that out, you take the money you've got, 101.5, and now you have to multiply this times 1.015. This is how you increase something by 1.5%.
103.02.
What do we got?
103.02.
Okay. So now, let's pause for a moment here. This is every 3 months. So 6 months in, you're already 2 cents ahead of where you were at compounded annually. Okay?
What?
Yes. There's actually much more. It's very hard to find simple interest anymore. Everybody compounds.
Mr. Bell.
Okay, 1 second. I got 2 more things to do here.
It's on your
Now,
calculator.
I'm going to apply 1.5% again, and that's 101. I'm sorry, that's 103.02. times 1.015. The 1 to get you your principal back, your money. The 0.015 will get you the interest.
104.56.
And that equals 104.56?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually 5.7 because I rounded it.
Let's go ahead and do that. Now, we apply quarterly means 1, 2, 3, 4. Got one more. You get 1.5% interest again. And what is 104.57 times 1.015?
106.13. Well, 0.14.
106.14. So, in all 3 of these cases, you're getting 6% interest annually. But if they give you the 6% straight up, you get $6.
No, you're not getting annual. You're getting...
Well, that's what they still call it, actually. They say this is 6% interest. 6% interest. Your annual rate is 6% in all 3 of these cases. Yes?
So are you honestly telling me that people actually do this kind of stuff